So in this lecture I will talk about my tips to maintain complete privacy and anonymity. So I will give you a brief description about this. So let's talk about first, avoid oversharing, especially on social media. So you would not start blurting out your most intimate secrets in front of a crowd of strangers. Yet a surprising number of people fail to exercise similar restraint to the World Wide Web. So the online audience is far larger than any crowd that could be assembled. So in protecting online privacy, start by disregarding the About Me section about your social media account. So it's not necessary for all to know about your date of birth, physical address, phone number, email address, all of this. So you could go further and restrict who can view your post and all of those. And create a powerful password. So after all the effort that you put keeping your personal information off the internet or safe from unauthorized access would come to naught if your online account aren't protected by a strong password. Apply the basic principle of a password management. That means that ensuring the password is at least 12 character long and contain lower uppercase number and special character and number. That will help you to get a good privacy. Then turn on private and incognito browsing mode for anonymity. So browsing in private or incognito mode is the butt of jokes thanks to the assumption that it's most popular among people keen on browsing most of the porn site without leaving a trail. So this is a great demonstration of how powerful browsing incognito can be as a weapon for protecting online privacy. That being said, private or incognito mode has some limitation. For instance, your ISP can still see your browsing activity. So the website that you can browse also can keep track of your online actions. Still, there is no harm in leveraging as it is one of the multiple tools for your disposal that increase your anonymity online and protect your privacy. And the most important one is use a VPN. So a VPN creates a private encrypted tunnel of communication on a public internet connection. It enhances your anonymity and privacy by masking your IP address, thus making it hard for anyone to attribute an online action to you. So using a VPN is especially useful when you are browsing the web on a public Wi-Fi such as coffee shop, your school, college, university, or in an airport. Don't click on any link unless you are completely sure of its authenticity. Phishing is one of the oldest and most efficient technique for obtaining confidential information without express authentication. The attacker attempts to deceive an individual into sharing sensitive personal or business information. They do this by sending emails that seem to originate from legitimate sources such as bank, educational institute, government agency, or employee. So it's better to not click any suspicious link. And the last one is protect your mobile devices. So in 2016, the number of mobile internet users surpasses the desktop users. And even nowadays, people have more in mobile devices than they have computers. So they have more risk of this. So it's important that you devote so much attention to protecting your privacy on mobile devices so you do on computers. So there's the all of the things that you need to do to maintain your privacy and anonymity using internet on both online, offline, and also public and private network.